All right, today we're going to look at multiplication lesson 4. This is Mrs. Oakley. Make sure you have your notes and that you're following along. All right, multiplying 2 digits by 1 digit. All right, so we're going to look at 57 times 9. Well, step 1 is to multiply 7 by 9. So 9 times 7. Well, I know 9 times 7 is 63. So we're going to take the 6 and regroup it in 3. Okay? Just like you do when you add. When you would have had this, you would have said 7 plus 6, right? 7 plus 6, 7 plus 9. Let's get the right numbers. You would have said that was 16, and you would have regrouped the tens place, right? Same thing goes with multiplication. The tens part of the answer has to be regrouped. So that's why the 6 goes up. Now it's time to multiply 9 times 5, which is actually 9 times 50 because it's 9 times the tens place. Okay, so 9 times 5 is 45. Add the 6, which is going to get me 51. Since we have no other numbers to multiply, I can just drop both numbers down. So 57 times 9 equals 513. Great job. Okay, moving on. Okay, so go ahead and practice watching me do these together. So first and foremost, we're going to come up and we're going to say 7 or 8 times 7. Well, I know 8 times 7 is 56. So the 6 is staying down because that's the ones place, and the tens is going up to be regrouped. Now it's time, let me get a new color, do 8 times 3. Well, 8 times 3 is 24. Now remember, this is in the tens place, so it's really like saying 8 times 30. But 8 times 4 is 24. Add the 5, we get 29. Okay, here we go again. Let's try it again. 6 times 4 is our first thing. So 6 times 4 is 24. So we're going to keep the 4, that ones, and we're going to regroup the tens place. Now we have 6 times 8. Okay, so 6 times 8 is 48, plus 2 is 50. Great job. All right, so you have 2 problems here. Go ahead and pause the video and try both of these out. Once you get them done, come back and see if you got them correct. Okay, let's start with 2 times 4. So 4 times 2 is 8. We only have a single digit, so I don't have any regrouping. I'm just going to put it down. Now I'm going to do 4 times 5 equals 20, and 20 is going to go right here. Great job. All right. First thing we do is 7 times 3 equals 21. Keeping the ones, regroup the tens up. Now we have 7 times 7 equals 49. And then we add 2 and we get 49, 50, 51. Great job. And that's the end of multiplication lesson 4. Go ahead and head back to class craft and I will see you for the next lesson. Bye.